Time is 8:10. School starts 8:45. It is the last day of school finally, actually. So the last bike ride in high school, you could say. We're gonna make it quick. Kinda. We gotta get to school right now. Basically, I was supposed to be at school 5 minutes ago, but I was drinking my coffee. Let's get this done quick. Let's get it done. Get it done. Get it done. All right. First, we get it done. That is not the move, bro. Actually, low-key so nice. It's slim. I like it. Oh, school top right there. There's a school top right there. That's a national top. Like 3 fingers, bro. That's like 3 fingers right there, bro. On what do you give a strike? I think I'll give a, you know, the 3 wheels, you know what I mean? Alright. We have 4 people stopping. Park right here because I can. And like that, we're here. All right, time to find my friends. Right, and just like that, senior year is over. High school is done, and we're going to adventure on. Wait a minute, hold up. Wait, enhanced camera? Wait, who is that? Enhanced camera again? Enhancing camera? Wait, is that bro? Is that bro? What the fuck? What the fucking... What's up, bro?
What's up?
You wanna follow me to the crib? Alright, I'm gonna park like in front of your car. And you can just follow me.
Alright, I'll just follow you. Bro.
Yeah. Don't worry, trip, bro, I got you. Hopefully we don't drive too fast for him, because I know he's on a little slow bike or a little slow car. Oh well. Our last ride away from school. Our last ride away from school. Last ride. Ready to... Alright. Here we go, chat. It's gonna be a calm little ride, you know, following the rules as always. It's not a far ride. It's in a neighborhood too, so you gotta keep the speed low. I just hope bro's not like a big little dickhead. And it's perfect too because bro's parents aren't home. Hell yeah.